multifunction awning. The strap loops are connected about 14 inches from the edge of the fabric. There's 4 of them. Newer models will have 6. You've got to remove the strap loops first so that you can install them on your tent. Okay, we are installing the strap loops for the universal multifunction awning that fits both the Adventure Series models and the High Country 80. The first 2 strap loops go side by side in the very center. Just wrap the strap around the pole and then put the buckle through the sewn end and pull it tight. You end up with 2 female buckles hanging there. In the center of them, obviously, is the strap that helps to deploy the gas strut. And then you will install the strap loops in each corner. Same thing, wrap it, put the buckle through the sewn end and pull it tight. There are the additional strap hooks that we talked about in the High Country 80 video are included in the kit. You could always use those if you want to tweak your fit. But on this model, this should work just fine. So now that the 4 strap loops are installed, we can go ahead and hook up the multifunction awning. Okay, so the first straps that you connect are the 2 middle that connect to the 2 female buckles that we just installed. There's some adjustment straps on those so you can adjust the tightness. And then you will install the ones in the corners, connect the corners. You'll see how on this model, just the strap loops really make a nice tight fit across the top. So now we're ready to connect the interior. The interior straps, just like we did on the outside, there are 2 straps side by side with C-clips on the end. Those connect right to the pole above the door. And then again, there's some adjustment straps on there. And then there's one in each corner. This is how the included rubber stake guide connects to the T-clip. Notice that there are 2 of them on this model, which gives you more flexibility for how you set up your wings. Okay, now that the straps are connected, the first 2 stakes that we've set are the outer 2 corners. We've already done the outside right, now we're doing the outside left. After setting the corners, you can put a stake in the very center. There's a little piece of strap underneath the grommet. It's just kind of nice to set the center. And then you'll take one of the, I think there's 7 ropes in the kit. One of them has a hook on them. The hook attaches to the sewn loop about 3 feet up the center. And this allows you to essentially stake this down, and it pops the front of the awning out, which creates more space inside. So you'll see all the space that creates there. And then now we'll move on to the wings. Connect the included rubber stake connector to the T-clip and stake down the outer wing. There's another set of T-clips above this, so you could actually stake it down and move the wing in tighter to the tent and the vehicle. Bam! Finishing the last wing. You'll see just how nice this sets up. And obviously this is a lot faster once you have pre-installed the strap loops. So next time you just connect it, set your stakes, and you're good to go. Now the last thing that you're gonna do is the straps on the side. So now that everything is set up, the last thing to do is the side straps. You can just adjust those. That basically pulls the side in just to give you a little bit more protection against the elements.